Hey guys, my name is Rohit Ghosh. Hope you're doing well. So today we're gonna make tandoori mayo corn sandwich. Believe me, it tastes as good as it sounds. First off, we're gonna make our tandoori mayonnaise. I know this would look like a lot of ingredients, but believe me, all of them you will be having at your home. So with that said, let's get started, shall we? So first up, let's start by finely chopping some vegetables. So here I have an onion, a tomato, a capsicum, a carrot, and if you want you can totally use some bell peppers. It would taste really great, and at last some green chillies. So now let's talk about the corn. So if you want to use some frozen corn, it's totally fine, and if you're like me and you want to use the fresh stuff, that's great. So it's very simple, just remove the corn kernels and blanch them. So now let's move on to the tandoori mayonnaise. So firstly, in a bowl, add a tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Jeera Powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some salt to taste. I know these are a lot of ingredients, but believe me, it's worth it. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then here I have some Italian mixed herbs. This would really enhance the taste. So once that's all mixed up, add all of your chopped vegetables and mix it really well. And also I added about 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated cheese. Then I added about a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Mix everything up really well. So now the tandoori mayonnaise is ready. But to kick it up a notch and give it that tandoori smoky flavor, here I have some active charcoal which I'm going to add into the mixture. And to that I added about half a teaspoon of ghee. Then cover it and let it smoke for about 10 to 15 minutes. And let it marinate for about 20 minutes. And then you'll get the smoky flavor in the mixture. So now once your mixture has been marinated and rested, we're gonna move on to the assembling. So here I have 2 slices of white bread. You can use any bread of your choice. So now generously add the mixture on one side of the bread. So once that's done, cover it with the other slice. We are not using any butter inside the bread because the mixture is really gooey and it doesn't need any butter inside. So now apply some butter on top of the bread and put the butter side down on the hot tawa. And then apply some butter on top of the bread too. And now cook on each side until it's golden crispy brown. Now cook all of your sandwiches in the same way and cut them in halves or quarters. It's totally up to you, and serve it hot. And you've got yourself a beautiful and tasty sandwich. I know this looks like a lot of work for just a sandwich, but believe me, every bite is worth it. So do try this recipe out and leave your feedback in the comment section below, and follow me on my Instagram handle _Rohit_Ghosh. And if you learned something, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching guys. Until then, I'm gonna meet you on my next video.